Hi, Pat McGibbon here to talk about the U.S. Manufacturing Technology Orders Program's numbers for September. In a word, I've used it a few times this year. It's amazing. $605 million in September. That's the fourth best month, any month, fourth best month in the USMTO program ever, going way back into the 90s. The month-over-month increase was 8%. The year to the same month compared to the same month in 2020, up 62%. And the year-to-date, first 9 months of this year versus the first 9 months of 2020, up 55%. In fact, if we keep moving at this pace, 55% year over year, we'll have the best year in the USMTO program ever. I mean, it's amazing that after what we suffered through in 2020, that we're having this kind of year in 2021. Some of it could be expected in that the capacity that people didn't buy at the beginning of 2020 and then during the summer is now being moved forward into 2021. And that's probably one of the reasons why we're seeing such great demand for manufacturing technology. It will level off as we get into 2022 to a more normal rate of expansion of capacity. By industry-wise, I tell you, medical equipment still running really, really strong, increasing its share of overall orders from where it was before the pandemic at around 3% to being something closer to 6-7% of all orders in manufacturing technology. The engine and turbines industry is really strong right now. It's as we come into the winter, people trying to build up additional capacity for power generation in places where they may have some challenges thanks to the winter storms. As far as rebounding industries, oil and gas is back to where it nearly was at the end of 2019. Still a little bit soft, but we expect oil prices to kind of settle in between $40 and $60, and that should help. And the auto industry has a couple of minor projects that begin to show a little bloom on the tree. We're still not expecting to see auto industry really get involved in a big way until sometime in the spring of 2022 or a little bit later. But the key point here is the expansion and dynamic diversification of where the orders are coming from. Industries that practically didn't exist in the United States are coming back, like commercial and service machinery and metal valve manufacturing. Really, quite literally, triple what spending in 2020, and even double 2021 spending, double of what it was in 2019, trying to rebuild that capacity, which had been offshore. Some of that being reshored, but some of it being invented for the first time here with new companies. So, key takeaway from taking this report: we're really diversifying the order base. We're having a great year, and I can't wait to get back here next month to tell you what's going on with October's U.S. manufacturing technology orders. Till then, be safe and take care.